Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with AWS Cognito for user pool permissions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service from the dashboard. Select the option for Manage User Pools. Choose the user pool you want to configure from the list. Click on the Users and Groups section on the left sidebar. Then, click on the Create Group button. Enter a name for your user group in the designated field. Optionally, you can provide a description for better clarity. Set the group's permissions by selecting the I am roles. You can choose a pre-existing role or create a new one as needed. After configuring the permissions, click on the Create Group button. Return to the main user pool settings and select App Clients. Click on the Add an App Client button. Enter a name for your app client and adjust the settings as necessary. Make sure to enable the Enable Sign-in API for server-based authentication option. Click on Create App Client to save your settings. Now, navigate to the Federation tab on the sidebar. Select Identity Providers to set up authentication. Choose the identity provider you want to integrate, such as Google or Facebook. Follow the required steps to connect the identity provider to your user pool. After setting up, go back to the App Client settings. Toggle on the identity providers you connected. Ensure you configure the callback URLs properly for your application. Now, it's time to set up your API gateway. Navigate to the API Gateway service from the AWS console. Create a new API or choose an existing one. Select the resource where you want to apply the authentication. Click on Method Request to configure your method settings. Under Authorization, select Cognito User Pool Authorizer. Select the user pool you created earlier from the drop-down list. Save the settings and deploy the API to your chosen stage. Next, test the authorization by sending a request to your API endpoint. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.